Are you a mom with little ones? Do you want your kids to establish a healthy eating habit at a young age, but struggling to put together healthy meals everybody loves on a daily basis? Hi, I'm Mari, author of international best-selling cookbook, Kitchen with Recipes. In this channel, I'm going to help you to get through your daily struggles of putting healthy meals everybody loves on the table, which is a foundation for a healthy, happy, strong family. Unfortunately, obesity epidemic is a wild problem. It breaks my heart. By age 12, 1 in 6 kids in the US are already obese. These children are likely to spend the rest of their lives fighting with all sorts of health and self-esteem issues. But how can we stop that? It's just too hard, and then no one has time to cook. In Japan, where I grew up, only 1 in 30 kids and 1 in 25 adults are obese, which is a fraction of that in the US. Why? Because they have this unique cooking process that is a driving force for Japan's super low obesity rate compared with other developed nations. It's a Japanese mom's secret weapon to raise healthy children and help them establish healthy eating habits at the very young age so that they don't have to deal with these obesity issues for the rest of their lives. They start early. The method actually is applicable for any diet or kitchen around the world. It's a lot easier and flexible than you think. As a matter of fact, once I started using their method in my kitchen in San Francisco, I saved number 1, $9,000 in food budget, number 2, over 100 hours in the kitchen, and number 3, overcame pre-diabetes without drug or restrictive diet, all within 1 year. When you use this cooking process, it's impossible not to save time, money, and stress. But here's a catch. This method is not known outside of Japan. Everything is written in Japanese. That's not fair, isn't it? So I decided to redesign it so that anyone who understands English can benefit from their simple yet practical method. So if any of this is interesting to you, please subscribe so that you can stop dreading and start enjoying dinner time too. Unlike other cooking solutions that are generalized and then hard to follow when you don't have time, this method is actually based on you as an individual. We will use what you already know and have as a foundation, and then I'll teach you how to tweak it so that you can make something new and exciting with much less time and stress. And as a result, you will get number 1, a much wider variety of meals you all love, and number 2, have more time and energy for you and your loved ones, and number 3, everybody can enjoy better health. These are the small changes that leads to a big impact for the rest of their lives. It's just like having a magic wand. It's chopsticks. Remember, cooking is an act of love. Healthy home cooking is a backbone of a strong family. Your family will cherish the memory of mom's cooking and the healthy benefits for the rest of their lives. Subscribe now and turn notification on. Thank you for watching, and then have fun kitchen wizarding. Bye!